for our morning class, early morning class. We talked about psychoneuroimmunology, and that word is so big that it filled up almost 2 chalkboards. Psychoneuroimmunology, one of the ways to understand it is to break it down into the words. So psychology, psychological, neuroanatomy, and then immunity. And psychoneuroimmunology is a fascinating topic and more fascinating than ever. And it's really empowering the patient in the healing process. And it's exploring what's called alternative medicine and the idea that they all work together. Psychoneuroimmunology, we also looked at the placebo effect, and that's where it fits in. The placebo effect and how the body has a natural ability to heal itself. Stay tuned for more. From the classroom to the campus, in the mornings I teach health psych, and in the afternoons I teach clinical psych. So I'm taking my own medicine and enjoying some time outdoors. And you can see right behind me, St. Clair College.